come up and say my ideas as well. I felt like I could talk to Bijoy sir, and he was like, whatever you feel your character will do, because you know her the best. Now that I'm doing the next movie now with Bijoy sir, he was like, this is even better.
नाला सोपारा जाके नाला सोपारा का स्लैंग सुनना, वहाँ पे शेक्सपियर भाई और ग्रेविटी के साथ चिल करना, बहुत इजीली आप इमिटेट करने लग जाते हो, स्पेशली इन अ प्लेस जब जिसके बारे में आपको ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं है.
Like to of course thank my director Bijoy sir, because I think that he, after all the films that I shot, this is my second that's coming out, but I'd shot a couple before, this was the first time on set where I felt liberated to come up and say my ideas as well. I felt like I could talk to Bijoy sir and say, this is how I'm feeling about the scene, do you feel like we can work this out? And he was like, whatever you feel your character will do, because you know her the best. If you feel she's not going to sit and say this, then don't. If you're not feeling it, don't. If you want to say this line like this, there's no fixed rule. It's what you feel, and I think that's what helped me a lot to bring this character to life. वो बहुत ही एक्साइटेड है, जैसे मैंने कहा माय यंगर ब्रदर जहान सबसे एक्साइटेड है, बट माय डैड वाज द मोस्ट हैप्पी व्हेन ही हर्ड दैट बिजॉय सर इज पार्ट ऑफ द फिल्म, क्योंकि वो बिजॉय सर को हमेशा कहते थे आफ्टर दे वर्क टुगेदर दैट नाउ व्हेन्स द नेक्स्ट मूवी हैपनिंग, एंड व्हेन ही फाउंड आउट दैट आई एम डूइंग द नेक्स्ट मूवी नाउ विद बिजॉय सर, ही वाज लाइक दिस इज इवन बेटर. सो या दे आर वेरी हैप्पी, वेरी एक्साइटेड. Yeah, I mean, of course, it's very important to go into your personal life and try and bring those similarities to your character, and that's, I think, what we both tried to do. For me specifically, I think since I'm playing an influencer, it was all about meeting a lot of influencers, researching about their routine, how they talk, what their lingo is, how they're playing two different characters. They're different in real life, and when the camera comes on, like actors actually, they are playing a character for social media. And I think just spending time with them, scrolling through Instagram and seeing how they post, what's their lingo when they post on Instagram, what are their captions, I think all those things really helped once we were finally on set.
I think what really helped me was just traveling across Mumbai to different places. नाला सोपारा जाके नाला सोपारा का स्लैंग सुनना, वहाँ पे शेक्सपियर भाई और ग्रेविटी के साथ चिल करना, फिर कुर्ला जाके नेजी भाई के साथ चिल करना, गोवंडी जाके विजय दादा, फिर धारावी में बॉयज के साथ बंटाइज के साथ घूमा, अक्कू करके अक्कू के साथ. सो आई फील लाइक I got like a very wholesome experience of what the underground hip hop scene looks like, sounds from, and where they come from. उसके अलावा I think another thing that helped me personally is because I'm playing a rapper, I wanted to start writing my own rap. So I just started using GarageBand to make like very basic beats and started writing my own raps in Hindi, and they're very bad. और मैं कभी उसको रिलीज नहीं करूँगा, पर I think वो exercise मेरे लिए बहुत important था, to just to understand rhyme scheme and understand rhythm and things like that and throw and stuff, you know, क्योंकि बहुत इजीली आप इमिटेट करने लग जाते हो, स्पेशली इन अ प्लेस जब जिसके बारे में आपको ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं है. अगर आपको Eminem पसंद है, टूपाक पसंद है, you know, instinctively you want to go there. But to then find your own style is what I wanted to do. So through that, I think I discovered that.